So I heard you want to start doing your own nails and you came across Gel X, but you have no idea where to start. You all asked for it, so here's a super detailed, beginner-friendly tutorial on how to do Gel X. First up, apply SPF or wear UV blocking gloves so you don't get sunspots or premature wrinkles. Then apply cuticle remover and push back your cuticles. All of that dead skin must be removed so your nails don't lift. You can also use cuticle nippers if you're comfortable using them. For nail tips, I recommend these Apri soft gel tips. Also really love these tips from Amazon. They come pre-etched and that helps the nails last longer. Now let's size the nails. You want them to fit side wall to side wall. As you can see, this one is a little too small and this one is just right. Next, apply dehydrator or use alcohol to remove all natural oils from your nails. Then apply primer. Primer will help those nails really stay on. If you're using tips that don't come pre-etched, you can chemically do so with the primer or just use a nail file to buff the inside of each nail. Now time for the extend gel. I first started off using this Apri extend gel. I also love the Beetles nail glue. It's pretty much the same thing. Apply an even thin layer of the gel onto your natural nails. Wipe away any gel that gets on your cuticles and flash cure for about 10 seconds. Then apply the gel up to 1/3 of the tip and pull extra at the base of the nail. Now this part is tricky. When you're ready to apply it to your nail, do not apply it parallel to the nail like this. You want to apply it at a 45-degree angle and very slowly apply pressure forward until you see the gel fill all the way up to the very tip of your natural nail. This takes practice, but you want to make sure you have enough gel on the Gel X tip. If you don't, this is what it'll look like, air bubbles, which is not a good thing because it'll pop right off. Now, if you put too much gel, it'll leak out everywhere and be a complete mess. This was definitely the hardest part when I first started doing my nails at home, but trust me, keep practicing and you'll get better and better. After you apply the tip, flash cure for 15 seconds. After you're done applying all of the nails, fully cure the entire hand under a big lamp for a full 60 seconds. Next, you're gonna buff off the shine and file the nails. This is a pro tip. Seal the cuticles with a nail drill. This will help the nails not lift and it just blends the nail really nicely. Wipe off all of the nail dust with some alcohol and you're ready to party. I hope all of this made sense. Let me know if you have any questions at all and I can't wait to see your nail looks.